Most stylish winter outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Black hoodie with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Brown sweater with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. Black jacket with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 4. Green sweatshirt with brown pant and black shoes. Outfit number 5. Gray sweatshirt with black jeans and black sneakers. Outfit number 6. Brown jacket with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. Black jacket with black jeans and black shoes. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.